Good morning. Happy day 40. If I was rich, I would have like confetti and stuff. 40. But anyways, it's day 40. Still can't believe I made it this far. I almost gave up a couple times, I'm not even gonna lie. Not gave up on my meal plan, but like on vlogging. But then a couple comments came in and I was like, okay, I can't give up. There's people watching, so. And there's people waiting for me to give up, and I'm not gonna give in to that. So, let's go with day 40. How are you? I'm tired. Yes, morning time. Easter. He thinks everywhere. Very ugly outside. The older kids are staying home today only because it's Carnival Day. They did say yesterday that Carnival Day was not going to be canceled even if it does rain, and it's raining, so they just decided they'd rather just stay home than play outside in the rain all day at Carnival Day. I didn't even know like high schools did Carnival Days, but so they're home. They're still sleeping. I'm not gonna wake them up yet. It's only 8 o'clock. Usually we're already pulling up to the schools at 8 o'clock, but the babies are eating cereal and watching YouTube. This girl who unboxes toys and makes millions. I don't know the world we live in. I like started making my shake and was like, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be recording. Oh no, this is my baby. If y'all haven't tried this creamer, please go buy this creamer. Silk dairy-free almond creamer, and it's the sweet and creamy. Gonna put this in here because that's just what we do.
What?
Wow. Where's my cup? All right, so I'm out of chocolate Hershey sugar-free syrup, so I'm gonna use caramel. I usually don't put this in my shake in the mornings because I'm usually driving and I just drink it out of my shaker cup. But we're gonna be bougie this morning. This talent, y'all. You see that? It's a little bit in there, but I'm not gonna drink it yet because I still have to take my shot. Looks funny, right? So yesterday I juiced more on my vlog. A lot of people asked for the recipe, so I just juiced the whole thing. So if you're new and you need the lemon ginger shot wellness recipe, I'm not gonna do turmeric this week. Sometimes, you know, you add like turmeric, cayenne pepper, all that great stuff, but I'm just gonna stick with the lemon ginger. It's just been good with lemon ginger. So let's do my shot. So gingery, I smell it. This smell healthy. Cheers. Yeah, it has a lot of ginger. That was Willow. That's my grandbaby. My daughter adopted her. She was like this big.
Mommy!
All right, so we are going to take our super greens now. 2 in the morning and 2 at night. So someone asked me yesterday on my vlog, why do I take super greens? I take them fully for the essential vitamins and nutrients that we're supposed to have daily anyways. I'm fully aware that Herbalife has all of the vitamins, all of the nutrients, all of everything. They're the #1 nutrition company in the world. So yes, I know their supplements are spot on. But due to my liver condition, I'm unable to take some of our tablets. For me to replace that, I use the ones that my liver can handle. So I'm not saying anything bad about Herbalife whatsoever. Just everybody is different, and I've had to go through things and tests for years, and that's the outcome. So after years, I've been on Herbalife for almost 10 years, but I recently have just now finally getting my liver disease under control. It's been a battle. If you know, you know. If you don't, maybe I'll talk about it one day. But I have finally gotten my numbers exactly where they're supposed to be for me to stay healthy. And for me to do that, I had to cut out some of our supplements. But these are really good, so I'm not that mad. I'm not that mad. Making it work. I'm doing what I can do and how I do it. So lemon ginger shot is done. Gummies are done. Just finished making my shake. What's next? Prolessa. Right. Wait, I gotta do it. I think my videos are way better now than they were on the first. The first video is horrid. I rewatched it and I was like, good God, if you can get through that whole video, you must really love me. Anyways, I have about 2 shots left in here. And then I have no more Prolessa until I order more, which will not be until 15th of May because I have to wait for my Herbalife check because I, you know, like my Herbalife money comes in and I put it back into Herbalife. So, cheers! I'm going to go hang out with my kids for a little bit, get a drink, my shake, and then I'll start working on this how to grow your YouTube e-guide that I'll be launching soon. When I hit 20K, I'll launch it. So you should share. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, share with everyone you know if they need help with their meal plans or if you're just looking, you know, for new meal ideas. Also, I get asked a lot about this cup. It's actually on my Amazon finds, so if you look on the description to this video, I have my link tree. Just click that link and you will see Amazon must-have. So just click that and you will see this under my kitchen must-haves. But other than that, if you need some product, send me a message, link up with me on my social medias. And I've had a couple of people reach out about my recipe book. Yes, those are still on sale. So if you need those, let me know. And I think that's it for now. So I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so I already sliced my tomato. I forgot I was supposed to be recording. So the chicken that I cooked yesterday, I put a little, like a scoop here, and I'm gonna go warm this up in the microwave. Flatbread is the multi-grain. It's 100 calories, and I have to go back to Aldi tomorrow so I can get more, because these chunks is good. Get some pesto. If y'all had them pesto sandwiches from Starbucks, this is like 20 times better. My chicken is warmed up. Fresh mozzarella, because y'all know this is better than the shredded. And I like to buy the pre-cut ones because it's just too hard to cut. It's just too hard to cut yourself. More mozzarella. I'm putting it on top of my chicken here and then put it back in the microwave. So now I'm going to spread my pesto. Pesto is amazing. This is my new spinach and my hot chicken and my melted fresh mozzarella. I'm going to put it on the flatbread like this. I'm gonna put tomatoes, some glaze, some feta cheese. Now, if I wasn't starving and I wanted to be fancy, I would fold it like this and put it inside the panini presser thing. We aren't gonna do all that. We're just gonna fold it and eat it. So, this is my snack. Doesn't it look delish? That looks so good. My pesto flatbread was absolutely amazing. I had some Diet Coke with it. Y'all know after I eat in the afternoon, eat one of each. So I'm gonna eat one of each. Multivitamin for the essentials. And then this, because you can hear it in the background, that you just need energy all the time. Just wanna.
I'm trying to decide if I should order a oh, my eyelashes look so pretty. A Chipotle bowl for myself.
That looks freaky. 1 piece as needed. Do not exceed 5 pieces a day.
Mom!
you beautiful people. So today I have been working on my online course that I'm going to launch about how to grow your YouTube channel. I need to take a quick break, some tea, because I need a pick-me-up. I'm still craving my cinnamon. I don't know why, just straight up cinnamon tea, nothing added to it. And I'm going to sip on this while I work on my online course. Cheers. Cheers. Right now I am sauteing some mushrooms and onions. Meal of the day, and this is 1/4. I put 1/4 of cauliflower rice and 1/4 of jasmine rice. It's more filling when you do it that way, when you just mix it together. I just want to measure it first before I start mixing it and showing you how I'm gonna plate my food. So I flattened out my rice and cauliflower. This is the leftover chicken from last night, so I'm gonna put just half of that, not even the whole thing. I'm really not that hungry, so I'm just gonna put half of that on the top. That's the rice and the chicken. I have some Colby Jack. I'm gonna put a tiny bit on top like this, and I'm going to go put it in the microwave. Now with my caramelized onions and mushrooms. Oh, this is what it looks like when it came out of, what is this called? The microwave. I'm sorry, I'm tired, guys. So I'm gonna put 2 scoops of onion mushroom. Sauteed them in extra virgin olive oil, onion powder, garlic powder, of course, and some black pepper. I have some spinach. I like to add in greens as much as I can. So I have fresh spinach, and I just chopped it up. I'm gonna sprinkle it on the top. It's important to add in your greens where you can. And then in here, because I'm just fancy, you could totally just get a spoon and splat it right there. This is plain Greek yogurt. If you don't know, plain Greek yogurt tastes just like sour cream. So I'm just gonna drizzle it on the top. Everything but the bagel. Just going to sprinkle it right on top like that. It's my healthy meal of the day. I just got this out the fridge and I drizzled a little bit on top too. So that's on there too. It's the end of day 40.
40 days.
I haven't really talked a lot today because a lot of shooting on the TV. I haven't talked a lot today because I was consumed being a servant to my children and making this YouTube course online. I'm like completely drained right now. And I'm still not done working for the night because I still have to, my YouTube video from yesterday vlog is still uploading. I don't know why, but like the last 3 vlogs have been taking like 36 hours to upload. So it's at 70 something % now, and it's after 9. It's after 9, so I'm just right. So I'm just waiting for that to upload so that I can post it and then start editing today. So I have my strawberry milkshake shake. He's eating cookies and he's saying it's a shake. But anyways, I was looking at my day 1 vlog and I look skinnier.
Told you.
But I still don't see it when I look at myself.
I feel it.
He said he feel it.
I don't feel it.
Now it's time for my nightly super greens. He's checking himself out because he got a haircut. And he's growing his beard out for the first time ever in his life.
So fun.
I'd offer you some, but you're eating a cookie, so. It's a weird mix. These are really good. Like, they taste like candy. I want to get more.
You got like 30 of them.
I know, but it says you can overdose.
What?
Yeah, I could
What
only
is the
take
side effect?
only take 2 in the morning, 2 at night. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is the leading cause of fatal poisoning.
Wow. What does iron poisoning do to you?
I don't know.
I'm gonna look that up.
Okay.
Isn't she really pretty?
Thanks. I'm gonna go drink my shake and edit my video until this video is ready for me to post. No, edit this video until my video from yesterday is ready to post. So that's day 40. I think I'll be alright. I think I'm gonna make it to 100 days, maybe.
Can't wait.
It's gonna be fun. I'm not gonna take a Pro Lesser shot because I only have like 2 shots left until the middle of next month. So I'll take a shot in the morning.
Everybody should.
Say hi to Kamari.
Hey Kamari! Tomorrow and the next, oh wait, Saturday? Saturday he's gonna cook breakfast and I can't eat it.
What do you want for breakfast?
Fish and grits.
Sure,
I wish.
Sure, we get some.
I wish. I wanna go to Kissing Cousins.
I'm gonna go buy some shrimp.
No, you're not.
Why? Why are you looking at me like that? He said hi to me. Come on, he said hi.
He's gonna scare away Kamara's boyfriend. See you guys tomorrow on the next video.